Who has ever seen a pizza vending machine? I have, and I'm gonna try it out. Y'all gonna try it out with me? Okay, so let's see how it works. It says, click here. Cheese. Baking. Add to cart. Check out. Look at this. Let's see how this is done. No. Yo, this is so crazy. I'm waiting for my pizza to be done. It says it takes about 4 minutes. Importa de pizza video a la cajera. Okay. So, I guess the pizza's getting done. This is gonna be so crazy. Pizza ready en 4 minutos. Ordenan aquí. So it says pizza will be ready in 4 minutes. Order here. So I got a cheese pizza and it was $9.99. And this is 24 hours. This is crazy. Yeah, you can tell we're in combate. Yes, you see the oven is preheating. Uh-oh. Something just turned on, guys. I know y'all see my reflection. It is so funny. It says unboxing. It's right here. You guys can see. This is the window that it shows you where the pizza, I'm assuming, will go. I have no idea. This is just as new for me as it is for anybody else. Oh, look at the pizza. Do you guys see the pizza? This is nothing but a reflection. The pizza is in, you guys. You see it spinning? That's the pizza. See the pizza spinning? I know you see my reflection and everything else, but the pizza is spinning. See, it's at 91%, 92. It's still in there spinning. I know you see my reflection, but there's the pizza. I got it to record. It says it's packing. Look, guys. Look, 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 look. Oh my god. Babe, open the pizza for me. Let's open it.